Hindi makakalaro sa kanilang laban kontra UST si FEU Tamaraw shooting guard Ron Dennison. Matapos ang kanyang disqualifying foul sa kanilang huling laban kontra UP Maroons. Target naman ng Boraita squad na maiangat ang kanilang pwesto sa current standings. Ang buong report mula kay Maria Isabel Reyes.
Hindi muna makakalaro sa kanilang laban kontra UST Growling Tigers bukas si FEU Tamaraw shooting guard Ron Dennison. Sa panayam ng PTV Sports kay head coach Nash Racela, sinabi nitong ang automatic suspension ay ipinataw sa kanilang 6-footer guard matapos ang disqualifying foul nito kontra UP Maroons guard Paul Desiderio sa kanilang last game. Base sa rules ng UAAP, ang sinumang miyembro ng team na madidiskwalipika o ma-eject sa game ay automatikong masususpinde sa susunod na laro.
The commissioner did not reverse yung suspension niya, and we welcome that. We even think the commissioner and his office really made a good observation. Kaya na-suspended si Dennison. So again, it's good also that we were informed early on. Kaya yung preparation namin again, without him na.
Aminado naman ang UAAP champion coach na malaking kawalan si Dennison sa kanila sa laban lalo't isa ito sa mga main guns ng koponan. Gayunpaman, may adjustments na rin daw na ginagawa si Racela, lalo tinatarget nilang mas umangat sa standings.
Of course, it would definitely affect us because yung presence ni Dennison defensively has been really helping us a lot this year. But again, ang focus namin, and we always remind our players to be ready for their moment. So like so Saturday's game na wala si Dennison, we are confident naman that some people would really be ready and step forward to the challenge.
Galing sa panalo ang defending champions at hawak ngayon ang record na 3 wins with 2 losses. Habang galing naman sa pagkatalo ang UST matapos padapain ng NU Bulldogs para sumadsad sa 2 wins with 3 defeats record. Layo ng Tamaraws na mas mapaganda ang kanilang standings, lalo't papalapit na ang pagtatapos ng first round.
Yeah, we've been preparing on the defensive end, really focusing on some of the major players. Again, we recognize they really have good guards and perimeter players. Kaya medyo ang focus namin nandun sa mga tao.
Bukas alas 4 ng hapon nakatakda ang harapan ng Growling Tigers at Tamaraws sa Mall of Asia Arena. Maria Isabel Reyes, PTV Sports.